When you're ready to select a CDMO to develop and manufacture your injectable drug, we say,
look closely.
Choose carefully.
Be absolutely meticulous.
Because after years of putting your all into something that truly matters, your discovery deserves a home. Not just a space that houses special instruments and equipment, but a place of growth and partnership, where the level of care is unmatched. Here in Minnesota, we've put the right pieces in place to advance your discovery at Lifecore Biomedical. A place that's already home to more than 20 commercial products. That's been built on a strong foundation, helping make progress possible for decades. A home where quality and safety are ensured by science and skill. And where procedures are routinely put to the test by global regulators. A place where, no matter the size of your company or the stage of your program, you define the starting line. And where complexities like extreme viscosity are undertaken with confidence. Imagine a home where there's space to stay for the long run, even as needs increase, and where the impact you hope to deliver to patients always remains in sight. So we encourage you, question everything. Be selective. Insist on capabilities that have been proven through experience, because anyone can buy equipment and offer development, fill finish, or even analytical services. But the future of your program hinges on finding the right place. A place where all of the pieces come together to form the home where your molecule will thrive. Lifecore Biomedical, the right place to place your trust.